The leaves are falling off my rubber tree plant. A sudden flurry of leaves dropped by rubber tree plant can eliminate a large portion of the plant's foliage. Often, the problem is one of lack of adjustment, but occasionally, the plant is being neglected or killed with kindness. Adjustment. Although rubber trees are one of the most tolerant fig trees, plants that are suddenly moved to an area where light or temperature varies greatly will drop leaves. A plant put near a heating vent or near a door that is open frequently drops leaves in response to the draft. Neglect. A plant brought inside to central heating may drop leaves because of the lack of humidity. Misting or water in a pebble tray will help. A plant allowed to dry until the soil cracks drops leaves in response to what it perceives as a dry season. Too much. Rubber trees need thorough watering, but their soil should be allowed to dry on top before watering again. Too much water forces leaves to drop and may also cause root rot. Too much fertilizing can also force leaf drop. Most rubber trees do not need winter feeding and require only half-strength monthly feeding during the growing season.